we're gonna load deviation surveys in the well. So for that we have to click the well. Like, let me see if we have deviation survey of alpha well and phi well. So first we load alpha well. So right click on alpha well, go to important selection, file of type, and we have well path deviation ASCII. Click on that and select our file, click open, and here we go. Okay, we have survey trajectory format. We have to check from our file, is it MD inclination azimuth or DY, DX, DVD, or any other format. It will show. We can know that by here. You can see MD, DVD, DX, DY. So we can use the second option. Okay. If you want to know any detail about these options, there are question mark button. You just drag your mouse on that and it will show you all the detail you want to know about these values. Okay, now we have to define the column numbers of our data. Like first we have DX. So there is column number 1, this is column number 2, there is column number 3, there is column number 4, and there is column number okay, DX is number 4. We click 4 to that. So DY is in 5, and the other option is DVD. So like 1, 2, and 3. 3 is our DVD. Okay, now next, the TVD elevation reference. So our TVD is in Kelly bushing, so it's okay. So it's auto going into our well alpha because we right click on the alpha well to import the data, so it's going inside that. So coordinates and units. So here again our data is in feet, so we have to specify the units of Z values. XYs are in meter, and we don't need XY for that because we are using well as a location. So click on feet and click OK, and here we go. There's our alpha, the survey, new survey that we just created. So let's check the deviation. It will be visible in map window and 3D window. So let's go to 3D. So click on this. Let's move around. Let me go to setting. And let's remove the symbols, and here we go. Let's turn on the name. Okay, so you can see there we go. Deviation, let's change the Z values so we can see clearly. There we go. You can see our alpha well, and here is deviation. We can change its setting, like settings and path. This is the pipe. We can change it to its size width from 10 to 20 and apply, and color as well is okay. let's load another directional survey. Go to the product selection, the same procedure, well path deviation 5L, click OK, and same thing again. We have to go to dx dy, and as we see that dx is on number 4, dy is number 5, and dvd is number 3 column, coordinates and units. So we have to specify the unit, the value is in feet, click OK and click OK. Now we have to see the phi deviation. So here you see very clearly, you can see that it's phi, it's deviation. Let's turn off the axis. Yeah, here we go.